Hello everyone, this is Varun Nishad from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. In this video, we are discussed about some question on the half segment of chapter 2, that is metals and non-metals. Student, we are cover the physical property of metals and non-metals, chemical property of metals and non-metals, and comparison study between chemical property of metals and non-metals. On this basis, we are discussing about the questions. So question 1 is that it is asking, which is given in your NCERT example, that is question number 1. Generally, when metals are treated with mineral acid, when metals are treated with acid, hydrogen gas is liberated. Hydrogen gas is liberated. But when metals except manganese and magnesium are treated with HNO3, hydrogen is not liberated. Why? Question is that. Now, answer. Because HNO3 answer. It is because HNO3 is highly oxidizing acid. Strong oxidizing agent. It oxidized H2 to form water. That is H2O. Form water, that is H2O. And nitrogen and remain form nitrogen monoxide or N2O, that is nitrous oxide, etc. So let's see, if you see this HNO3, it remove whole this mineral acid, that is nitric acid, it form H2O plus NO. So here is N2O, it will be possibility. Here is a 2, that is 3 is completed. 2, otherwise here is a 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 to 4, then a 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 to the 4, 6, and here is leave that things. So when it form this NO and except these metals, when the another metals react with nitric acid, they are unable to liberate the hydrogen gas. So in this way, we can say that when metals are treated with acid, hydrogen gas is liberated. But when metals except manganese and magnesium are treated with HNO3, hydrogen is not liberated because it is a region behind it. The HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. It oxidizes to remove hydrogen, and ये जो हाइड्रोजन है HNO3, इसमें से एक ऑक्सीजन जो है वो निकाल लेता है फॉर द H2O and NO, it फॉर्म कर लेता है, मीन्स 2 and 3. तो यहाँ पे H2O फॉर्म हो गया और NO जो है यहाँ पे ऑक्सीडाइज हो गया, यहाँ पे रिड्यूस हो गया. So in this way it oxidizes to form water and nitrogen remaining to form nitrogen monoxide or nitrous oxide. Now when a metal X is treated with a cold water. Now take another question. When metal X is treated with metal X is treated with cold water. It gives basic salt. Basic salt. Why? With molecular formula, XOH, molecular mass ब्रैकेट में है, molecular mass is equal to 40 and liberate a gas jet which easily catch fire. Identify X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z which easily Write the reaction involved. Write the reaction involved. Dear friend, this question is coming in your pre-board, and this type of question is asking in pre-board and board also. So be aware from them. And this question, let's answer that. Sodium and potassium react with cold water. Question आंसर है, क्वेश्चन का आंसर करते हैं. सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम. सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम. सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम. एंड पोटेशियम. That is A. React with cold water. With cold water. Cold water. They form their hydroxide basic salt. They form their basic oxide. Their basic oxide. And basic oxide what? That, for example, NaOH and 2H. NaOH and KOH. And liberation of and the molecular mass of NaOH. अब molecular mass यहाँ पे दिया है. मोलिकुलर मास XOH तो बनाता है, लेकिन मोलिकुलर मास दिया है 40. तो पोटेशियम का देख लेते हैं और सोडियम का देख लेते हैं. पोटेशियम का कितना होता है? 19 होता है. क्या एटॉमिक मास. और ये 16 होता है किसका? ऑक्सीजन का. और हाइड्रोजन का 1 होता है. तो पूरा कैलकुलेशन के बाद क्या होगा? 1 6 7 9 16 1 1 1 2 एंड 3 36 ही हो रहा है. बट यहाँ पे क्या मॉलिक्यूलर मास है? 40 है. तो दूसरे का देखते हैं. यहाँ पे अगर मान लीजिए यहाँ पे आपने अगर सोडियम को रखा तो क्या होगा? सोडियम. तो सोडियम का कितना होता है? 23 16 प्लस 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 1 6 7 3 10. उसके बाद 1 2 3 1 कैरी क्या है? 3 प्लस 1 इसको तो 4. अल्टीमेटली क्या आ गया? जो XOH है वो आपका क्या है? वो आपका है NaOH. तो उसके बाद क्या लिखेंगे? तो यहां पे लिखेंगे एंड मोलिकुलर मास एंड NaOH mass is 40. And that's why, and reaction is, so X is sodium and reaction is which? That is sodium plus water, it gives rise to NaOH. OH plus H2 plus heat energy. NaOH plus heat energy. So in this way we can find the solution of this XOH. Sodium and potassium react with cold water. They form their basic oxide. ये अपना basic oxide बनाते हैं. But NaOH का जो मास है वो इस मास से मैच करता है. KOH का मास मैच नहीं करता. तो आपका जो राइट आंसर होगा, जो XOH होगा, वो यहाँ X का जो वैल्यू होगी वो सोडियम होगा. और सोडियम का वाटर के साथ रिएक्शन होगा. कौन सा रिएक्शन होगा? तो ये आपका रिएक्शन होगा 2 moles of sodium hydroxide and 1 mole of hydrogen gas plus heat energy is liberated. So in this way we can find the answer of this question. Now we will take another example, that is an element. Question is that, another question, a metal M does not liberate hydrogen from an acid. Does not liberate hydrogen. Liberate hydrogen from acid. But reacts with oxygen to form black color product. Identify M is black colored product. Identify M is black colored product, and also explain the reaction of product, and also explain the reaction with M and oxygen. So dear student, answer of this question is that copper. जो मेटल M है, मेटल M is copper, and it reacts with oxygen. It reacts with oxygen. It reacts with oxygen to produce black colored product. Black colored product. Reaction, that is copper plus oxygen, Cu. There are two oxygen. This black colored compound, colored compound. So in this way we can answer of this question. The question is that a metal M does not liberate hydrogen gas from acid. एक ऐसा मेटल है जो किसी एसिड से हाइड्रोजन गैस लिबरेट नहीं कर पाता, क्योंकि ये लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल है. आप रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में पढ़े हुए हैं. बट रिएक्ट विथ ऑक्सीजन to form black color products. Identify M is black colored product and also explain the reaction with M and oxygen. So metal M is copper and react with oxygen to produce black colored product, that is copper oxide. Copper oxide, generally it is in black. The copper is dark brown colored metal, and when it reacts with oxygen it forms black colored copper oxide. So in this way we can answer of this question. Another we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.